Hello everyone, welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to set up auto-fetch email ID while sending reports via email in the Fresa application. Auto-fetching the email ID while sending reports via email helps streamline communication by automatically retrieving the recipient's email address from the system. This eliminates the need for manual entry and ensures faster and more efficient delivery of the reports to the customers. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successful login, this is what our dashboard looks like. Now, navigate to the Masters module. Select the Organization menu. You can now view the list of organizations. Select the required organization. On the Organization Details page, go to the Address tab. In the Address page, enter the email ID and click the Save button. After generating the report, the email ID will be automatically fetched in the To field on the email page. These are the steps to set up auto-fetch email ID while sending reports via email in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.